Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hera. If you're new here, my name's Hera and I'm a 25-year-old budgeter living in Nevada working 2 jobs. And today we are going to do some Friday fun stuffing. We're going to play a few games. If you've been here before or you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. We have our little friend today, Dimu. So Dimu's been our friend this entire week. I am bulk filming, so that's why today. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to play hopefully 2 games. The first one is Happy Meal from PropBudgets, and then the other is going to be At the Fridge by PropBudgets as well. And I'll explain the rules as we go, but we do have $40. So let me do this. So we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There should be a dollar rollover somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the dollar rollover from last week. So we will go ahead and start with Happy Meal. Let me take this in case we get a stamp. So to explain the rules of the game, we have a little board here. We are going to use our little cloud friend here as our marker. We will try to go through the entire day, go to the post office. For every little character, there's going to be a card. Within those cards, there's going to be these stickers. If there's a sticker, a scratch off sticker, that's double. Whatever amount is under, you double it. There's going to be stamps for letters and stamps for packages. So package stamps are worth $5 each, and Happy Mail letter stamps are going to be $2 each. So this is the board. We have our 6-sided die. Let's go ahead and get started. Last time I wanted to play longer, but I kept getting doubles and triples. So hopefully this time that's not the case. So we'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on a break. And then 3. 1, 2, 3 on a break again. What is happening? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a letter. Since we got 2 breaks, let's go ahead and scratch a double. Okay, that is a 1, so we're going to do 2. So that's going to be 1, 2. I'm gonna move these. All right, and then once I've scratched off a little option, I don't touch that again until next week. All right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can definitely play one more. Okay, 2, and that's another letter. It's pretty high. We'll go ahead and double it. We'll do this side this time, and that's going to be a blue fox stamp. So this is a letter, so it's going to be $4. Yep. So that's going to be $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put that there. All right. Let's roll a dice. Oh, let me mark that actually. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another letter. And let's do. It's just a letter. So yeah, we'll do another double. I think this should be the stand. Okay, so that's the lion stand. So that'll be another $4. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another letter. I guess we're just sending so many letters today. Okay, we can definitely do a double for this. Oh, I got a little too confident there. So that's a 6. Okay. I was getting a little too caught up thinking my luck was really good. So that's what I get. Okay. Okay, so that's $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's do one more. 1. Another letter. Huh. All right, we'll take it the easy way this time, and we're just gonna do 1. Finally, I actually am playing a bit longer today. 3. 1, 2, 3. A package. Do we want to risk it? Let's not risk. No, we'll risk it. What is that? Okay, 2. That's not bad. So that would be $4. That'd be $4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to do some cash condensing again. All right. Just do a 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2. Another letter. Okay, those are high amounts. We are just gonna do $2 because I want to play at the fridge. 1, 2. I got a little too overconfident in myself. There. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another letter, and we're just gonna do 1. No more. Let me go reach the post office. 5. Is it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're done with Happy Meal. So we are now gonna move on to our at the fridge game. All right. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, this is also from PropBudgets. We roll the die. It tells us which section. Within the section, we roll the die to see which one. If it's a circle, scratch off, it's double. If it's a square or a rectangle, it's a triple. So let's go ahead and start. 4, which is the fruit crisper. This is the section. Let's go ahead and roll. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a double. Whatever luck we had at Happy Meal, not here. Kiwi. For $4. So that's $8. Oh. Oh. Okay. Kiwi for $4, doubled, which is going to be $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, maybe we can play one more. Maybe. Big maybe. All right. 1, which is the freezer. Ooh. Okay. 1, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Do we want to risk it? Maybe. We'll risk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do one more. 4, we already did. So let me choose. I don't know if that was a rule, but I'm just going to do that. We'll do the drink drawer. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Water is $2. We can do that. And that's it for this week on our games. We're going to go ahead and start counting, and we'll have a $2 rollover for next week when we play at the mall. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So we should have quite a bit of stamps completed. Let's put this away. All right, rollover $2. Let's see how much we saved today. Starting with all our Happy Meals. So we saved $2 from a double. And then a stamp double. So that's $2 for letters. So that's 4. Another stamp double for 4. Double for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $1. A package double for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A letter for 2. 1, 2. And a last letter for 1. So in total, we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. $24 in Happy Meal today. All right. And then we'll go into at the fridge. We saved $8 for double kiwi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $5 for popsicle. 2, 3, 4, 5. And $2 for water. So in total, we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15 for at the fridge today. And I'll put this back. We have $2 rollover, so next week we should have a bit more to play. That's really it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate you being here. Thank you.